We all have a responsibility to strive for excellence and work towards contributing to the betterment of the people of Pakistan. The people are the core strength of this country. They have shown resilience through very tough and difficult times. In the guidance of our founder, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, we owe it to ourselves and our country to work hard with unity, faith and discipline and move our country towards a much better future, inshallah.
किसी मुल्क को आगे ले जाने के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि वहाँ के बच्चे सवाल पूछना शुरू करें। मुल्क वही तरक्की करता है जहाँ पर साइंटिफिक इन्वेंशंस हो रही होती हैं, फिलॉसफी, आर्ट के अंदर लोग आगे जा रहे होते हैं, फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच होती है। ये तमाम चीज़ें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और ये सबसे पहले स्कूल से स्टार्ट होती हैं। अगर हमारे मुल्क में ऐसे स्कूल्स हों जहाँ पर बच्चों को सवाल पूछने की सलाहियत दी जाए तो हमारे मुल्क में भी इजादात होंगी, एक इगैलिटेरियन सोसाइटी क्रिएट होगी।
I'll take Pakistan forward through education, unity and compassion.
Integrity, resilience and pride.
By bringing honesty, dedication every single day.
Everyone, all citizens have equal opportunities and every child that is born has the same opportunity. Whichever household he is born in, poor, rich, and everyone must have ideally the same opportunities so that they can all realize their potential.
With this motto that exists in the DNA of all Bank Alphala employees, that is one bank, one team. This is what I want for Pakistan. If we are united, I firmly believe that Pakistan can become more stronger than ever.
क्योंकि फ़र्द की तरक्की ही कौम की तरक्की है।
लोकल बिजनेस को सपोर्ट करना हो या फिर यंग टैलेंट को ग्रो करने का चांस देना हो, आई फील लाइक पाकिस्तान में टैलेंट की कमी बिल्कुल नहीं है, बस अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ की ज़रूरत है।
तो बीइंग अ पाकिस्तानी सिटीजन मेरी यही कोशिश होगी कि मैं पाकिस्तान को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए अपने नेचर रिसोर्सेज को रिजर्व करूं।
In my opinion, that we all need to work with honesty and integrity in our personal business.
And innovate with confidence.
Honesty, dedication और purpose के साथ.
Choosing complaints over solutions and actions over excuses.
Let us continue to serve our country, our customers, our community and our colleagues in the best possible way that we can. And that, inshallah ta'ala, will, the little things that we do will contribute towards the prosperity of Pakistan. Let us celebrate our country with pride and shape its future with purpose.
Through the values we teach our children and the examples we set for them on a daily basis, I believe change starts at home. And our today's generation is going to be the future of Pakistan.
आपस में एक दूसरे की ज़रूरियात को समझें, जो हमें माशरती शऊर जो हमें है उसका एहसास करें ताकि हम एक बेहतर माशरे को परवान चढ़ा सकें।
पाकिस्तान पढ़ेगा तभी तो ये मुल्क आगे बढ़ेगा और जब सही लोगों के पास इन्फ्लुएंस होगा तो वो उनकी आवाज़ बनेंगे जो इस मुल्क के शहरी।
And in our case, through the use of digital banking, providing access to finance, empowering societies through financial inclusion, and everything that we are doing and this bank is doing in ensuring that the access to finance is given through the use of technology to people who otherwise may not have access to the use of financial services. So let's make this resolve on this Independence Day of this country, that we collectively, as the bank, as the societies, will come forward and help those who need help the most.
Protecting every voice, especially for those that cannot speak for themselves.
Encouraging others to adopt a healthy work-life balance.
Empowering young people with the skills they need to succeed.
Empowering the women to lead.
मैं स्पोर्ट्स में बेहतरी लाके, माहौल में तहफ़्फ़ुज़ पैदा करके और आने वाली नस्लों के लिए बेहतर मौक़े पैदा करके पाकिस्तान को आगे बढ़ाना चाहता हूँ।
Contributing my time and efforts to the causes that truly matter, such as animal welfare.
Promoting education, helping local businesses, and of course spreading positivity.
By investing in its people, innovation, and institutions.
Learning new skills that will help me to contribute more to the society.
Reading more, learning more, and inspiring others to do the same.
Influencing them through my storytelling and content.
I believe the real change begins when we move forward with accountability.
I feel like nothing can move forward without us investing in our students and our youth, because they are the next generation that will take Pakistan forward.
Thinking differently, solving problems, and embracing innovation.
We need to invest in people and in education. That's how the nation grows and the country grows as well.
I believe it starts with all of us, in the way we live, the way we treat each other, and the choices we make every single day. By becoming more responsible, respectful, and a civilized society. By creating opportunities for others, empowering people around us, and helping each other become better. Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.